Here we are in Longsan. Let's hit the road. Morning everyone and welcome back. I'm here in the city of Longsan, getting ready, all packed up to make my way down to the famous Halong Bay. It's about a 4-hour drive from here. Really looking forward to getting back to the beach and seeing what Halong Bay is all about. Let's get to it. We're out at Halong Bay right now, just kind of exploring, driving around, trying to get some drone shots right now, which has been a success. Pain in the ass to find a good spot to do so though. Cruising out to the bay later, and let's check it out. What's up guys, just got to my hostel here in the town of Ninh Binh, which is 2 hours south of the capital Hanoi. I'm staying at Central Backpackers, pretty nice dorm room actually. Let's take a look. And then I am off to the town of Vinh tomorrow, which is a beach town. I'm gonna head out now, take a look around, explore for a few hours, and let's see what happens. What's up guys, just checked into my hotel room here in Vinh. Let's check it out real quick. It's kind of nice to get your own hotel room once in a while. Headed off to the beach, let's check it out. Cool guys, in the city of Vinh now. We saw the beach yesterday, so let's get on the road. We're gonna drive 4 hours south, close to the Laos border, for our next town for the night. It's gonna be in between 2 national parks, so hopefully a pretty drive, and let's get to it. Well guys, at a coffee shop now. I have a 4-hour drive ahead of me and it is just going to rain. So let's get on with it. So currently at some kind of Vietnam War memorial, which I just happened to come across. Pretty sick actually. Let's check it out. Here's where all the mortars and bombs struck. And there's some airplanes over here. Cool Chinese building up here. And there's something else here. Good morning everyone. I am in the town of Phong Nha, or Son Truc as the locals call it. I have to say this is the coolest town I've been in like a while. It's right up all along all the national parks. It has hundreds of caves all around, and it has the 3rd largest cave in the world. And the bar scene's really good. And the hostel scene's really good too. So let's go out and explore what this town has to offer. What's up guys? We just got out of Phong Nha Cave, which is actually the 3rd largest cave in the world, and it was only just discovered in 2010. It's really cool because back during the Vietnam War, it was used by the Vietnamese to hide floating bridges, and they would bring them out in the evenings to allow troops to cross the river. Pretty cool. On the way to the eco trail now, which has a spring to swim in. So let's go hit the road and check that out. Cool guys, just got out of the eco park, or the eco trail I guess. That was pretty cool. I got to walk around, check everything out. The springs was nice. All in all today, the Phong Nha Cave costs $140,000 plus a boat, which is $360,000, but carries up to 12 people, so split that 12 ways. You're only paying $30,000 for the boat. So all in all, the cave was about $8 US, and the eco trail itself was $80,000 to get in, so that's like $2–3 at most. It's not too bad to those things. It's claimed to be here the capital of adventure in Southeast Asia. Plenty of caves around, like multi-day treks, caving experiences, and whatnot. And so next time you're in the area, check it out. Hope you like this vlog. Until next time, I'm headed down to Dong Ha tomorrow, and then headed back to the beach where I will make my way to Saigon. So if you enjoyed this vlog, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.